Quickly, we're going to look at forces. A force is a push or a pull. And we could even extend that definition to say a force is a push or a pull that when it's unbalanced can cause a change in motion. So we're going to start simple. We're going to practice with a spaceship, a little object that we're going to make, and we're going to look at the forces acting on this object. So I'm just going to use my pen. What are the forces acting on this pen? Okay, so I'm going to take this and let's just draw my pen. Okay, great looking pen. What are the forces on this pen? Well, to show forces, we're going to do what's called a free body diagram, which basically simplifies what we're looking at because it makes the physics easier to deal with. So, what are the forces acting on the pen in my hand? Well, of course, we've got gravity, force due to gravity, and then if the pen is not falling, there must be another force balancing it out, and we could say that that is the normal force, is what we call it. The normal force is the force that pushes back based on the surface it's resting on. Okay? So we're going to draw some free body diagrams. Now, a true free body diagram is going to show the strength of the force by how big you draw the arrow. Okay? So if I raise the pen, for the pen to raise, which force has to be greater? The force of gravity or the force of my hand pushing on the pen? The force of my hand on the pen. So it would look like this. Force of gravity and then the force of my hand. And notice the arrow is bigger than the force of gravity, so the pen would raise. And that's what we're going to do in this exercise. So if you look at your sheet, you can go through and kind of step through those and think through those and draw your diagrams and see what you come up with.